energy today is absolutely crazy. Everyone's pumped. We're having a ripper day. Thank you so much for having us.
Oh, look, today's been fantastic. You know, it's a great opportunity to get together as a team and obviously do something which is ultimately going to benefit people in need. So, really good day.
It's a really good team building and bonding experience. Plus, you're helping generate these meals for people who don't have very much. And you guys always do good music, so it's always good fun.
Highly recommend. I mean, how can you not? It's a great initiative. I don't know many other QSRs or restaurants in general that do anything sort of like this. So it's really fun to get part of it.
Almost everyone has a story of why they've come today and why it is important to them. And so hearing about that's really nice.
Yeah, it's a really fun activity, and I think we've had a blast, and we feel like you're giving back and doing something good in the community, which is really great. When you work for a big corporate, it's nice to have that feeling of being able to contribute to the community.
When you wrap the first pallet and everybody cheers, then when you actually stand and reflect on how many meals are in that pallet and how many meals that's going to provide for kids, it's really beautiful.
I enjoy everything. I just get a thrill from packing those meals, knowing that they're going to go to little kids and they can have some food that haven't got any yet.
It's not just about feeding them, it's about giving them hope, giving them a community, giving them a economy. It actually achieves way more than just a meal. It's so much fun, just get involved. You have a great day, it's a great vibe, you get right into it and then you achieve something really good after it.
Yeah, definitely do it. I think it's a really good way to get out and meet people and yeah, like give back and feel like you're doing something positive.
100% get involved. It's one of the best things you can do, and just knowing that we're helping out so many people is a really awesome feeling.